about two domains, quantum technology and artificial intelligence. Quantum technology is based on quantum phenomena, opens new possibilities in computing and cryptography, at the same time posing a threat for the incumbent cryptography systems. AI with sophisticated machine learning algorithms makes it possible to detect and analyze cyber threats in real time. It is by combining the two domains we are creating a key to future cybersecurity. We are on the verge of a fascinating breakthrough in cybersecurity, combining science, technology, and innovation, and protecting our cyber future. The Expert Cybersecurity Center, as a unit with the Ministry of National Defense, is tackling the topic today, especially that AI and technology have a bearing on our national security, being part and parcel of military solutions. We are in for a keynote speech, a discussion panel, and a series of lectures in two parallel streams. We'd like to invite all of you here and all of you online to follow the conference. Let me give you a warm welcome at CyberEXPERT Conference 2023, ladies and gentlemen. The honorary patron of this event is the Ministry of National Defense, and the media patrons include Polska Zbrojna, Cyber Defense 24, and TVP Info. Now, for the official opening, over to Paweł Dziuba, the director of the Expert Cybersecurity Center. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to welcome all of you at our conference, CyberEXPERTS 2023. I'd like to welcome all of you who are here in the room and all of you who are with us online, including representatives of organizations within the national cybersecurity system, NATO and the European Union. Being a director of the Expert Cybersecurity Training Center and an organizer of CyberEXPERT Conference, I have an honor and pleasure to open this event. Every November, this event creates a forum for very relevant lectures and debates on state-of-the-art technology and cyber technology, with special focus on the military domain. The topic of this conference this year is a combination of artificial intelligence and quantum technology at the service of cyber security. We are living in this day and age where dynamic growth of technology poses lots of opportunities and lots of threats at the same time. Our understanding, anticipation, and the reaction to cyber threats requires innovative solutions. AI and quantum technology are becoming key players in the realm of cybersecurity, in that they offer very powerful tools to fight the ever more sophisticated attacks we are facing. However, the evolution of this domain goes hand in hand with the need for higher responsibility of the users. Together, we have to think how to best use the powerful tools we have at the service of the state. We should also think about potential limitations and aspects to consider while we implement the new technology. over the oncoming 2 days, we'll listen to speeches by outstanding experts. We'll also exchange our experience bridging the worlds of academia, business, military, and real needs and practice. Our conference is a unique opportunity to share knowledge and ideas which will hopefully turn into very specific solutions implemented by the state and by the armed forces. I do hope that this conference will become a forum for collaboration and seeking innovative solutions for sophisticated programs and projects. Once again, thank you very much for coming. And I wish you a very inspiring conference, lots of great debates and talks. And now, I'd like to ask the Director of the Cybersecurity Department of the Ministry of National Defense, Mr. Dominik Rozdziałowski, to officially open our conference. Thank you.